Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine, healthy, happy, and very cheerful at home. But as you know, life must go on. Moreover, studies must go on. And that is why today we are going to start our first English lesson, that is the fun they had. The story Fun They Had is written by Isaac Asimov, who was an American writer. He had set this story in 2157, that is 150 years from now. As we know, children, now at present you go to schools and learn your lessons. But Isaac Asimov, the author, had a futuristic approach when he wrote this story. His vision and imagination of future schools takes us to a virtual classroom and make us realize how learning or education would become so technical in the 22nd century that it will lack human touch. Through his character Margi, we will realize how fortunate enough we are that we learn in a school where we have human teacher imbibing emotions, attachment, values, compassion amongst us. I doubt which couldn't be nurtured in a virtual class. We will learn how teacher has an important role in education and in the life of students by which they learn their lessons in a fun way. Learning outcomes, that is, what are we going to learn at the end of this lesson? We will learn what is a virtual classroom. Virtual classroom is an online learning environment that allows for live interaction between a tutor or learners as they both participate in learning activities. The most common tool for virtual class are video conferencing, online whiteboard or Zoom. We shall also learn or understand the theme, that is future education system versus current education system. We will also understand to critically analyze the present versus future education system. That means we will understand the pros and cons of both the education systems. The main characters of the story, the fun they had, are Margi, who is a 11-year-old girl. Secondly, Tommy, who is a 13-year-old boy. Third is the county inspector, who is a mechanic. And fourth is Mrs. Jones, who is Margie's mother. Now we shall discuss all the characters in detail. The first character, who is the main character of the story, is Margie. Margie is an 11-year-old girl who represents future school in the 22nd century. She is a typical young girl who dislikes school, which is highly personalized and includes a television and a mechanical teacher. That is, she learns on a computer. She studies in comfort at home. She don't have to go to school as you go to school. Margie doesn't like her school because she is confined to a room and has to study alone in a fixed time every day. She is a curious girl. When she finds a real book in Tommy's hand, she is eager to know about its contents. She is surprised that the book describes a school of yesteryears, that is, past years, which had a real man as teacher and classes were conducted in a special building. She is fascinated, that is, attracted to learn in those times, and the students of the same level studied together. She concludes the old system more better than the new system. Tommy. Tommy is a young boy of 13 years old. He also plays an important role. He is a neighbor of Margie. He finds a book in his attic. The entire action of the story begins after that. He represents the students of the future era when education will be absolutely mechanized and automated. In this short story, the fun they had, the county inspector was a round little man with a red face. His job was to repair the mechanical teachers who were not working well and meeting their requirements. He carried a box of tools with dials and wires to repair the errant mechanical teachers. The county inspector was called by Margie's mom, Mrs. Jones, in the story. The county inspector repaired the Margie's mechanical teacher when it had a problem in geography section and reset to an average level of 10 years old. He also assured Margie's mother that her overall performance was good and quite satisfactory. Mrs. Jones is Margie's mother. She appears in the story only in relation to Margie's schooling about which she has some strong opinions. She caused the county inspector to fix Margie's mechanical teacher, that is computer, when it kept giving her geography lessons very hard. She also enforced the learning of Margie's schooling, believing that the school should happen or take place at the same time every day. At the beginning of the story, Margie writes her diary on 17th May 2157. She writes in her diary that Tommy found a book in his attic. Attic here means a storeroom of his house. Margie was surprised to see a real book because she hadn't seen a real book before. She felt strange to see the book as they learned from telebooks or virtual books on the computer screen. The book had turned yellow and crinkly, which means crushed or having folds or lines. Margie remembered of her grandfather. He told that his grandfather studied from the books printed on paper. So she felt that the kind of book is historical or ancient. Children felt funny to read the still words because they were habituated to read e-books where the text kept on moving and it was different in the books printed on paper. The children had a very strange experience of reading a printed book. She felt that when the pages are flipped or turned, you get to see the same thing written on the pages. But when they studied on the screen, the text kept on changing and the screen remained the same. Tommy disliked the idea of a printed book. He felt that it was a waste, as after reading the book, you have to throw it, or one can't have a different story on the same book. On the other hand, he felt computer screen was very good, as the same screen showed many different books and text, and he would not throw the screen after finishing a particular story. When he shared this idea to Margie, even Margie agreed to his opinion, as being elder, Tommy had read more books than Margie. Margie was scornful when she got to know that the printed book which Tommy got in his attic was on school. She said that what was there to write about it that the entire book has been written on school. She hated her school because a mechanical teacher means a machine which teaches you used to give test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse. It was difficult for her to cope up with, and her performance was going very bad. Finally, her mom thought that something is going wrong with the machine, and so she decided to call the county inspector to check it. The county inspector was a round little man with red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He opened the machine to repair the computer. As the county inspector opened the machine, Margie wished that he could not be able to close it again. She did not like the computer and the teacher, but the man was an expert. He repaired the computer within an hour and made it ready for Margie. The mechanical teacher was most hated by Margie as she had to submit her homeworks and test papers on it. She had to submit it in a punch code, that is a computing language, which she learned at the age of 6. The machine checked and calculated the marks in few seconds. After the computer was ready, the county inspector patted Margie's head. He said to his mother, Mrs. Jones, that it was not Margie's fault. He said that the geography sector was geared, that is taken to a higher level. Now he has set it down to the pace of a learner of 10 years old, Margie. He said sometimes machines also malfunctions. He also added that Margie learned at a good pace, and he patted Margie again to cheer her up. But Margie was sad as she wanted the inspector should take the machine away. She remembered once Tommy's teacher was taken away. Tommy's teacher here means his computer was taken away for nearly 1 month because the history sector was blanked out and Tommy enjoyed nearly for 1 month. Tommy and Margie discussed about the old kind of school centuries ago. Tommy was looking at her with superior eyes because Margie was not knowing about the old kind of schools. Tommy called Margie silly loftily. Margie got hurt, but she was curious about the 21st century school. Tommy tells Margie that the 21st century schools, that is the old kind of schools, had human teachers who told things, taught lessons, gave homeworks, asked questions. Margie doubts that the human teacher may not be as intelligent as the machine teacher. Tommy disagrees with her opinion and further says that his father knows as much as the machine teacher. Then Margie thinks that she would not like a strange man come to her home as a human teacher and teach her lessons. Tommy clears that a human teacher doesn't visit the anyone's house, but the children went to a special building called school. Margie even thinks how could the children learn together in a class all together. She remembers her mom told her that machine has to be tuned to the level of students because every child's mental ability is different, so children are taught separately. As this discussion progresses, Margie's mom calls her for it was the time to attend the virtual class. Margie did not wish, but her mother convinced that it was time for Tommy as well to go for school. Before Margie left for the class, Margie requested Tommy for the book. She wanted to know more about the old kind of schools. Tommy felt great as Margie wanted his book. At last, Margie left home. Her school was right next to her bedroom. Margie and Tommy's school was always at the same time except on Saturday and Sundays. Mechanical teacher was waiting for Margie. The screen flashed. It was the arithmetic lesson on addition of proper fractions. The machine asked Margie to submit the previous day's homework as usual, which Margie disliked. Margie did it and again started to think about the old kind of schools. She thought the old kind of schools existed during her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. She wondered how the children from the whole neighborhood came together, shouting, laughing in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, learned together. Even the children helped each other with homeworks and talked about it. And the teachers were humans. Margie was in a deep thought of old school, and all of a sudden the mechanical teacher flashed. Margie thought how the kids had fun in the 21st century school. So children, we have understood what is a virtual class and what is a real classroom. The computerized education has increased the gap between the teachers and students. The author message is a warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which deprives the children of the benefits of personal interaction between students and teacher and helps develop social skills. It is much known fact that technology is replacing almost everything. We do not need papers and pens as softwares can be used to write. We don't need physical books because of the advent of ebooks and PDFs. But can technology replace teachers? Is this technology sophisticated enough to teach you? Is the need of human teacher being eliminated? I believe the answer is a big no. Technology helps the process of learning but can't replace the role of a teacher. Teacher is more than a facilitator of knowledge. Teacher also acts as a guide, mentor, inspiration for students. For decision making, time management, you need teachers to teach human skills. So, to bring life in learning, you need a human teacher, not lifeless machines. New words of these lessons with their meanings. The first is exist, it means to be in being. Second is virtual, that means real. Third is crinkly, with many folds. Fourth is awfully, that is terribly. Fifth is telebooks, books on television screen. Sixth is scornful, it means contemptuous. Sixth is slot, a given space. Seventh, geared, adjusted with the speed. Dispute, it means disagree. Probably, it means possibly.